This video is a summary of the detailed IELTS study plan that I followed for 1 month and scored an 8. You can click on the I button and access that video. It talks about the day-to-day, that is right from day 1 to day 30. The resources that I followed, the question types I practiced, how I allocated the days on different sections. So it's a wholesome plan. Just watch that video and follow it dedicatedly with focus without any distractions. Every day, commit to some level of practice and for sure you'll be successful and have a great band in IELTS exam. Now for those who think that they are not knowledgeable about the English language or whose basics are not clear, I recommend something towards the end of the video, so do stay tuned and watch the video till end. Now understand that these study plans have to be molded according to your level of understanding and capacity. So I was weak in writing section, hence I started off with the reading and continued with the writing so that I can dedicate around 12 days to writing section and practice reading along with it. I practiced it every day, wrote a letter and an essay every day. You can again understand that through my study plan video as I mentioned before. Now see that what your weaknesses are and what your strengths are. How to do that is give full length 1 to 2 tests before you start your IELTS preparation. Through that you will be able to analyze your score. Wherever you score a little low, that's your weakness, and you get a high score, that's your strength. So dedicate quite a few number of days to your strengths and a lot more days to your weaknesses. Now for those who feel that they have to start their English language preparation right from scratch, do not worry about it. If you're not clear with the fundamentals, grammar, verbs, tenses, different parts of speech, just buy Manhattan book. That's recommended by a lot of scholars, authors and teachers. It's a wholesome, great book on English language and will clear all your concepts. But do give 1 month or half month based on your understanding and how well you are able to learn. Once you are done with that, your fundamentals are strong, then start building on the IELTS preparation. Take 1 more month, follow my study plan and you'll be done.